So, what is the weekend?
The Waco Weekend is a chance for one of my online students to come to Waco, hang out with me Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And we just play music. We work on some songs that that person wants to work on, and just basically try to make their music dreams come true. A lot of people want to play in a band, play in a gig, or just get to the point where they can play and sing. And I've been teaching my whole life, and I feel like I can help someone do that, especially in person. So it's just a time to get together and to have some fun, relax, and play some good music and enjoy Waco.
Well, Trey, I'm so excited you're going to come for this weekend. And wow, it's going to be great. We've been thinking of, it's the first one we're doing like this. I've met people before and done stuff and concerts and all that, but never anything like this. So we want to make, the weekend exactly tailored to you.
What was Montrey's goal?
Montre had three goals, if I can remember them all. He had one is he wanted to start a personal relationship, with me, to be able to call me or text me or just, what's going on musically in his life. We formed a great relationship just over a couple of days playing music, and we truly have a relationship now where I can help him with his music, and he can, ask me any questions that he has. So that was one of his goals. Another one of his goals was he wanted to kind of go through his practice routine. We did that. We looked over that and come to find out he was doing a lot of the things he should do already. He was maybe being a little too hard on himself or maybe a little too rigorous. So I kind of tried to relax his routine a little bit, but that was the second thing. The third thing he wanted to do was to actually play with people, to play, a show.
I don't know. Somebody told me the other day I give out handshakes.
So as it turns out, Trey is a huge Phil Collins fan. So I said, let's get some Phil Collins songs. What Phil Collins songs do you love? Do you want to play? So that's what we did, because I find it's very important for people to play the music they love. That's a huge plus and a positive experience for them to keep going in the future.
It's really going to be doable. Let's look at the right hand first. And I wonder if start, let's see what that would sound like. That's a good idea.
What?
Well, it's actually down here.
Oh,
and I'm going to be playing here. So it might be cool if you did play it up there. So this is what we're going for. It's the bottom. All right, we might add a left hand for you if that's possible. But let's try it again. Da da bum ba bum.
Can you B-roll?
B. You want to know what that means? So it's like where they make like do it yeah, your guitar.
Yeah, I definitely want to do this. And so we're like, awesome, book it. And then that was only like 2 weeks ago.
He did it
Immediately. And so we sent Montre a pretty extensive questionnaire. What do you like? What's your music? What's your background? All these things. And then we put on there, just throwing it out there, would you want to do a gig? Just a small something. Again, thinking, most people aren't going to say yes. And I think his response was, heck yeah! Exclamation point. Shawn's style is, let me throw you in the pool, you'll probably swim. And
he did.
And he did. So this is what we've accomplished since 9 o'clock this morning.
Brand new stuff.
Okay, so you guys are getting to see the whole process. And tonight, I would say start to finish, but this is not the finish for Monterey. This is going to be just the beginning. So we're going to start out, y'all are going to start out with piano.
We're just gonna, warm up the audience. And Leah didn't get to hear any Billy Joel last time. So
That's
this is
right.
great. I was thinking of cutting it, jumping in, but I thought, no, I remember she wanted Billy Joel, so we're gonna do that for her.
So I'll move out of the way. Enjoy everybody.
Please sing along if you know the song. It's 9 o'clock on a Saturday when the crowd shuffles in. There's an old man sitting next to me, looking up to his tonic and gin. Somewhere in the night. The first thing was to play a gig like this, but he also wanted to sing. And so I kind of test the waters. And I said, well, why don't you sing this, see what happens. And lo and behold, he's got a great voice. So I was like, all right, we're doing it.
Yeah, Monterey.
Are you ready? This is a car, it was going alright. I thought I'm wrong when I thought it was right. It's always the same, it's just a shame. That's all. I can say, Dave.
tell me what was going through your head, or what you were trying to keep from going through your head.
Yeah, it's just, you know, we were working hard, you know, practicing for our gig, our jam. And when I took that walk, you know, I had 2 cups of coffee in me. I don't drink coffee, so for me, that's like overdosing. So we were practicing before we started playing. We were practicing, and Shawn looked over at me and he said something sharp, and I was like, oh, how did you know I was sharp? Like because I was messing up and I was playing I think an A sharp or something on accident. And he's like, no, I said you look sharp. And I was like, oh.
What do you feel like is the next step for you? Obviously practice, keep honing your skills, but
Yeah.
what's the next dream? You like checked one dream off.
Yeah.
What's
Yeah.
the next dream?
Now it's honing more on being a songwriter and officially join a band with the experience that I gained, you know, yesterday. Officially join a band, write my own songs for the band. I think that's my next step, and then from there on, just be the greatest musician I can possibly be from there.
Awesome.
So, yeah.
So my goal, I want to be a strong all-around musician, right? But who can thrive in a live setting. That's pretty much
Awesome.
my goal.
So, Web Piano Teacher has always been just videos online, and people, you know, get on. If they buy a membership, then they can view all the lessons I've done over the past 20 years. But there's really not a personal relationship there. There's no personal contact. So what I'm trying to do through this is it not only helps the person who comes here and shows them that they can do the things that they have always dreamed of doing, and that everyone who watches these videos will be encouraged to think, you know, I think I can do it too. This guy did it. This girl did it, so I think I can do it too. So that the power of a shared experience that people get to see and be involved in as far as the video, and they get to see, oh, we actually did it. We practiced, we worked hard and accomplished some goals. It encourages other people in that same boat that they can do it too.
Nice.
Okay.
That's good.